One more day, and I'm leaving this fantastical place. This magical, fantastical, amazing place. Today's video is going to be shot on my Samsung Z Flip 4. Everything else is put away. I'm going to try and do my best to locate a Jollibee because a friend of mine that lives up in Manila, quite far from here in Cebu, wants to do a live stream from a Jollibee there, and we're gonna do a little game where I'm at a Jollibee here, she's in a Jollibee there, we're doing a live stream, and people are gonna think, oh, you guys are at the same Jollibee, you gotta meet each other, how awesome. No, that's not gonna happen, but that's the plan today. So I'm getting ready to get out of here. It sounds like the stupidest last day in the Philippines one could have, but that's me. I like doing stupid fun things. I could be enjoying the pool, but no, I'm going to Jollibee. Actually, my plan is tonight, this is just a quick little filler video, so you guys don't get too excited. There's not much going to be happening here. But later tonight, I'm going to get back up. I'm charging my cameras and everything else. I'm going to walk up this long and winding Beetle-style road from the Costa Bella Tropical Beach Resort up to the main road, which, if you guys watch some videos of the Philippines, Thailand, and Cambodia and stuff like that, those neighborhoods that you see that you just always wanted to check out, you know, I think I'm going to check those out as my last night approaches. Well, tonight is my last night. It will happen my last night, but I'm going to have to stop and get the cameras. Right now, it's up to Jollibee. Cab is on its way, just waiting for it to arrive. Would you guys look at the grounds here? The grounds of the Costa Bella Tropical Beach Resort. I just shot a video of how crazy it is just to hop on an airplane and solo travel, all by yourself, which is solo travel. It's really not that scary. What is this? What is down there? Don't know what that is. I do know the next time I come, I'm either going to have someone here in the Philippines hang out with me the entire trip, travel with me, or I'm going to bring someone from the United States to travel with me. You know, I don't know, Steph stuck in a truck or somebody. We're just going to, I don't know if I could do this again solo. I mean, I could. It's incredible. But it's so much better to share it with a friend. So we'll just have to see what happens in March or so. I'm planning another trip in March. I leave tomorrow and I don't want to. When I was in Hawaii, I did not want to leave Oahu neither. And I could honestly say that I think I did not want to leave Oahu more than the Philippines. I mean, I'm okay chilling and splitting from the Philippines right now. I know I'm going to be back. But I'm okay splitting. When I went to Hawaii, I did not want to get back on the plane. I did not. There was no way. I mean, I was looking for work. I was ready to get a job. Work in Oahu. I don't care. Cleaning bathrooms at some crazy tourist resort. Here, nah, go ahead, put me on a plane. Send me back to Florida. Let me work a little bit more. Because I know in 3 years, this will be the place I more than likely retire. And so I know I'll be back. I got to come back and learn everything there is to know about the Philippines. Especially the languages. And the insatiable appetite for Jollibee. Did she throw up? Poor girl. So the tech cab should be here shortly. One of the last things I do today. Go to Jollibee, come back, get my camera, walk up the road about 2 miles, check out kind of that street crazy night food stuff. Possibly hop in a tuk-tuk or a cab. Just before the new bridge, there's a thing called 10,000 Roses. I don't know exactly what it is. I'm going to check it out though. It's lighted roses. They have like 10,000 lighted roses. So we're going to check that out possibly. And then tomorrow, wake up and head out of this magical place. Thing crumbles. You know what's gross, I think? They have chicken a la king pie. I love the one pie that they have, the mango, but the chicken a la king and the tuna. I don't know about the tuna pie. Okay, I am just realizing now this is a huge chain. Jollibee is a huge chain of restaurants. I am sitting down waiting to do a live stream, expecting to use Wi-Fi within the establishment, but no. Jollibee does not offer free internet. How crazy is that? There are restaurants here that, yeah, you don't get internet. I wonder if Starbucks does. I don't know. But they do offer some amazing food. So I got some Jollibee Sketty, some Sketty from Jollibee, and I got something I've been told I have to try is Chicken Joy, spicy. I guess it comes with some sort of gravy, and I think this is extremely hot, so I'm assuming that is rice. Not only did I get that, I got some stuff for the Super Museum in Metropolis, Illinois. So they're out of Batmans and Wonder Womans and stuff here, but I need to bring some stuff back for the Superman Museum. And they do have some Philippine Super Pet toys from Jollibee. And I know the DC Super Pets are a big thing. I never seen it, but I don't know if these are the same ones we have in the United States, but I am bringing them back to drop off with Morgan and Adam at the Super Museum from Cebu, Philippines. And there's a couple other toys in here too. Not exactly sure. I'm not going to open it. They're going in my carry-on. Alright, so because their spaghettis at Jollibee are so small, I got a family one. It was 220 pesos, which I don't know how much that equals out to, but in general, it's pretty cheap. That's good. And it comes in a big, huge tub. Look at that. So we got that. That's the family pan. And it's actually, I thought it was going to be smaller. I thought it was going to be like 2 single servings, but no, it's a lot. 2 days worth of spaghetti. So we'll set that aside. And a little bit of gravy. Don't know what you do with it. I think from watching Pop's vlogs, I think what you do, oh, this rice just stays hot. You keep the rice hot. They don't have, I mean, they do have French fries, but I didn't get French fries. Look at that. Got some rice. So we'll set that off to the side. And I think what you do, this is their spicy chicken right here. This is, supposedly it's really, really good. Not with it. Oh my God, hold on. Wow, I just cleaned my fingers. Yeah, that's spicy. Whoa. I didn't even take a bite. I just licked the powder off my finger. Wow. I may not be able to eat this. Oh, the spicy chicken. Okay. Let's give it a shot. Ice cube. Okay, so don't lick your fingers. Hint, don't lick your fingers. So I think what they do is they dip in the gravy. I got this chicken here. After just licking my fingers, I'm a little bit afraid of this. Oh my God. Popeyes. You go to Popeyes, any of those places, wow. Get their Cajun chicken. Oh, Jollibee's got you beat. Popeyes. Wow. I need another drink. Oh, that was good. It's hot, but not in a bad way. I have to say, I put it down for a second.
I was really afraid. I'm not a chicken fan. Oh my God. Okay. Diane. Todd's Vlogs. Ah, you were right. Good. Man. Oh, that's some good chicken.
Okay, we are done. Tried to do a live stream with Beth. She was at Jollibee's. Jollibee's. I was at Jollibee's, but two different ones. Thought it would be kind of cool, but come to find out, Jollibee's doesn't have internet, and they don't offer free refills. And that dictates a lot of what I do and how I rate someplace if I'm going to eat there ever again. I've eaten at Jollibee's like 3 times and it's been okay. But today when I really needed it, I needed their Wi-Fi. And my mouth was burning from the spiciness of their chicken. I could have used another drink. No refills, so fail. Kind of getting used to walking around the traffic. It only took 14 days, but I'm figuring it out. Crossing the road's still kind of a hectic thing, but knowing that I'm as large as some of the cars on the road, I'm probably going to do more damage to the car if it hits me than the car's going to do to